clap your hands, everybody, if you got what it takes. Cause I'm Toxic T and I'm on the mic and Premier's on the brakes. Going out to the hardcore hip hop. Going out to the hardcore hip hop.
Of course we don't flip-flop.
I ain't no killer, don't push me. You could be stabbed by the Asian nigga with a hoodie. Bruce Lee, nunchucks to your head and watch you bleed. A ninja regulating the camps of refugees. I've been a kush, meditating, educating my body and soul. With some medication, I'm the West Coast ghost. The way reflect me, don't act like you don't know. Don't ever say me what hate me, not touching my body and it's so cold. I'm just another you, I'm just another him. I'm a spirit of the truth, I'm a ghost of the sin. Pass me the juice so I could go in explosive. This is my moment, I'ma hold it, you a bogus, keep a choking. I'm not a rapper, I'm a poet, so you best know it. MCs get murked when I think that the dope is. I'm an artist who this craft and I show it. You better step back when I get in my zone and focus. I run around with my more youngest from the 559. There's a lot of hate when it's our time to shine. Cause I keep on skipping school and getting high. Just seeking truth, not spitting rhymes. So the use of future won't be living lies. I took this crap for hip hop and made a minds. Fuck religion and the law, fucking criticize. I don't know about y'all, but I made up my mind. Till the day I'm a boss, I'ma still be on this mic. MC act like they don't know. Rappers act like they don't know. MC act like they don't know. Rappers act like they don't know. I'm a fat motherfucker killing mics for you sucker. I do it how to tell you, dumping in the dope dealer. A West Coast nigga, smoke a bowl nigga. I paint these pictures for you nigga to figure that I'm sicker when I'm up in this rap game and shit. But a big fat pussy, I'ma tap this bitch and never let you be shoot me. I'm not a legend, but yet the next to do it. I'm suing for you MCs and rap kings who never knew this. See, I came for the bottom, but we'll never reach the top. Remain at my lowest, cause my only reach for hip hop. You can say I'm the chosen, but I really not. I'm staying true to myself. I'm a devil in a god. Fuck all y'all suckers, y'all don't compare to me. I always got these bitches verses searching for my purpose to succeed. When I was broke down, y'all was thinking down on me. I was just a youngin' coming up, influenced by the things I see. Thanks for the creed I teach, now I'm certified beast. I'ma be a fool, while you better get used to me. Was 30 nights to worry before my mom birthed me. I'm just another product, it's a sad to breathe. MC act like they don't know. Rappers act like they don't know. MC act like they don't know. Rappers act like they don't know. I was just a young and digit school, just trying to find my way. Hopping on this fence and smoking weed for these cloudy days. I needed to find myself and that's on the way for me to conquer these pains. I'm doing meaning opposite, I best take over this brain. I'm doing what I wanted for these punk police. These government defrauded, let us fall, angels run these streets. We live and born to die, we see the truth, don't need to hide the illusion. We're living in investigator more than lies.